All right, guys, arm your quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. All right, Captain Vanover's laying down some pretty good times. 27 seconds should make for a really good 3 consecutive laps. As it stands, he's going to move up 1. White Noise is on a 4-lap pace also. See where he stands. Looks like he's going to move up 33 spots to number 17 with that last pass. Captain Vanover edging to the top in that 3 spot right now. When you cross, you will be done. When you cross, you will be done. White Noise, you're done. Done. We still got a couple on the track. Team Defiance, you're done. All right, quad it down. Let's retrieve them.